Okay, I'm going to show you how we restored our headlights. Okay. I got this trick from a friend of mine who owns a detail shop. And he showed me some cars that he done 6 months ago. And they still like the day when he did them. So a lot of people use different things and it doesn't hold up. And this seems to hold up. He's got 6 months out of it. So I'd be happy to get 6 months. So I did these already. And I'm going to show you how he does it. The trick that he uses. Like I say, he does this for a living. And people recommend him because the headlights don't go dull. So hopefully this will last. He showed me how to do it, or told me how to do it. So we're going to find out. So I'm fixing to show you what you need, different things you need, and exactly how he does it. And I'm going to do it and show you how to do it. And then we're going to go from there. How we do it here. Clean, old car headlights covered. Now this old car is pretty old, 17 years old. It's never had them cleaned or done anything with them, so. And they're like brand new right now, pretty much, from this distance anyway. They've got little cracks and different things in them because they're not brand new, but I'll be able to see at night now. Okay, these are going to be the ingredients you need to clean your headlights and to restore them. Okay, baking soda, regular Arm & Hammer baking soda. Okay, I use this little dish to put the baking soda in and to clean it. And if I can go out there and do it, so I'll show you how that's works. 2-inch masking tape. Get the 2-inch. Works a lot better. Okay. And you need 40% DEET. At least 40%. Okay. Alright, now this, a lot of people have used this and you know it doesn't last long. Okay. My main thing is to get the headlights real good and clean. And we're going to show you how we're going to do that. Then, I'm going to put some of this on there, okay? Like I said, my friend had his on for 6 months and his headlights are still in good shape. So if I got to do this every 6 months, it's pretty easy to do, so I definitely recommend it, okay? Oh, and paper towels, I almost forgot. You're going to need a roll of just regular old paper towels. Alright, now we're going to head out to some old van, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. Okay, we're going to do this headlight. I'm going to tell you right now, it's really hot out here. In the summertime, it's really hot. So the water coming out of this hose I got right here, it's very hot. The hose has been in the sun. Okay? If you don't, not summertime, you don't have the convenience of the hot water. Just go ahead and, of course, get it out your house. Okay, what you do is you just take your little bowl and put you some baking soda in. Okay? My baking soda busted, so I got it in the bag. Okay? Put a generous amount of baking soda in the bowl. Okay? Then, what we're going to do is we're going to take a paper towel, a couple of paper towels, and wet them, and put a little bit more baking soda on the paper towel. Get it to come out. Busted out bag here. Okay, now we got a generous amount of baking soda, and we got warm water or hot water. And what we're going to do is we're going to scrub it. Okay, we're going to scrub it. It's going to start looking better right away. Of course, once this dries, it wouldn't look good. because it's wet. Okay, a little bit more baking soda and hot water, warm water I should say, and a little bit more. Ooh, generous amount of baking soda. Okay, if you can see the brown coming off, it's cleaning. It's taking the oxidation off of it. And just keep scrubbing it. And dip in the water, a little bit more water. Okay. Alright, a little more baking soda. Because right away you're seeing that it's looking a lot better. But we were looking for long term. We want to go long term. Okay. Now, that's pretty much scrubbed up. Now we're going to take our baking soda water and just kind of rinse it. Take our water, rinse it. Continue to scrub it. That's looking good already. But it wouldn't hold up. Of course, you know that if you've tried this before. Okay. And that's got that done. All right, now we're going to take our 40% DEP. We're going to spray it on top of the wet white cover. We're going to scrub it. You see the brown coming off? Okay. Now he said you don't spray this on dry, on your dry light. You don't spray this on your dry light. You want your light to be wet. All right, a lot of people make the mistake of spraying it on dry, and it messes up the plastic. It'll mess up your plastic. We'll do this a few more times. Okay. Scrubbing pretty hard too. I mean, you gotta scrub it. Okay. One more time. Generous amount. Scrub it with our paper towel. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it, I'm gonna rinse it. Of course we're gonna let it dry. Okay, like I say, you don't spray your insect repellent on there when it's dry. Definitely don't want to do that. Okay. I'm going to take the hot water that's in this hose. There'll be some hot water right here. Okay. Turn on the light so it don't kick back and get everything wet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and rinse it. Rinse it good. Take the paper towel, wipe it. Now this is an old van, so I really ain't worried too much about the paint on this whole thing. We're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna come back and put some masking tape on it. And I'll show you how we're going to spray it. Now these lights are 16 years old. This van is 16 years old. I'm not the first owner, but I'm assuming nobody's ever changed the lights on it. I've had this thing 10 years. So you're going to have some cracking and different things on your lights. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I ain't really worried about the paint that much on this old van. It's my old music van. I'll go play music. And I'll use this thing about 4 or 5 times a month when I go do a gig. Okay, and we're just gonna take our 2-inch tape, little pieces, go under. Might take some little bit pieces. We're gonna go around and just try to get under the light there, the plastic. Push the plastic down, I guess. We just want to keep overspray from getting on the paint. Okay. It's hot. It's probably 90 degrees out here right now, if not more. Okay, in the sun, it's well over 100, I'm sure. So we're gonna go all the way around. We're gonna take this. Like I said, this band is not the spring chicken. This is the band is a 2007. And it's seen better days. Like I say, you can see there's gonna be some cracks. Of course, that's not gonna take the cracks out of it. The little pitting and cracks on the light. But we want to be able to see through the light. So let me finish masking taping it, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how we spray. Okay, we got it masked off. You might want to do a better job if you got a good van, a good car, I should say. And we've been shaking up our can. Okay. You want to shake it up real good. Okay. What we want to do, we want to put we want to put 2 coats. Well, my can is shining in the light, I'm just picking it up. We want to put 2 light coats. Okay. And 2 to 3 heavier coats. Letting it dry a little bit. Now it's really, really hot out here. It's 90 degrees, so it's not going to take long to let it dry. So, we're going to put light coat. Making sure we cover everything. Okay? Oh, another thing. This stuff is nasty. Hold your breath. Forgot to say that. When I did the other light, I was like, stuff is toxic. Hold your breath. Okay. Shaking up the can. If you see what can you see it? Give you a little wonder. That is the sun is shining. Okay. That should be dry enough. It'll dry pretty fast. We'll put another light coat. Making sure we got it all. Alright. That was almost a heavy coat. A little bit dry. Like this is not a new light. It's the band is 2007. This is 2024. Alright. What's that? 25 years? No, man, ain't that old. Let's see. "17 years old. Oh. Hot out here. Okay, now we're going to go for a little hotter coat. Look at that coat. Now I'm doing this in real time so you can see how long I'm letting it dry. But like I said, I'm in the heat. And I'm hoping this don't get on my camera lens. Alright, here we go. Now this is a heavier coat. Hold your breath. This stuff is nasty. Oh. I didn't hold my breath. Wear a dust mask. or respirator. I'm telling you, don't do as I do, do as I say do. I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer. So we figured the van was, what's that, 17 years old? So I'm sure nobody changed these lights. I've had it 10 years, and the lights were kind of dull when I got it. Not real dull, not as bad as they are now, but the lights were a little dull. So I would say no one changed it. So this van was 7 years old when I bought it. And it's not a daily driver. I just use this thing just, like I said, when I play music, I take it on the road, I get about 4 or 5 gigs a month, I guess. And I don't go more than 100 miles. Usually 50 miles. Usually I do local stuff. All right. I wonder if it's dry enough. What we're going to do, we're going to check a little bit of overspray. Right here, let's go. Oh, it's dry. Okay, I'm going to go another heavy coat, I believe. Hold my breath on this one. That's a good coat. Oh, we'll get away from it. It's nasty. All right. We're gonna let it dry. We'll go from there. I'm looking. I might want to put another coat. I don't know. Let it dry. Don't put as long as it's dry in this heat. Like I said, we're down in the deep south. This is the end of June. The end of June. The last couple of days of June. So July and August are our hottest months, so we're in some hot months right now. I mean, it's just like July. I think that's going to be good. I don't want to make a run. I don't want to make a run in it. Okay. Let's go with that. How we do it here? Refurbish our old headlights covers.